All right, folks, today I'm talking about the easiest jobs to get at DHL and how to ace the interview. If you're looking to jumpstart your career, DHL is a fantastic place to begin. First up, let's talk about the warehouse operative position. This is perfect if you're physically fit and can handle basic tasks like sorting, scanning and packing parcels. No special qualifications are required, just a high school diploma or equivalent. To find this job, head over to DHL's career website. Filter your search by location and job type and apply directly. Next, we have the delivery driver role. If you enjoy being on the road and have a valid driver's license, this could be your gig. It's straightforward, deliver packages safely and on time. Simple, right? You can find this job listing on job portals like Indeed or directly on DHL's site. Now let's look at the customer service advisor position. Got good communication skills? This job involves handling customer inquiries over the phone or via email. A little bit of patience and a friendly attitude can go a long way here. For this, you can also use job search engines or check out DHL's website. All right, let's tackle how to ace the interview. First, research the company. Know DHL's services, values, and recent news. This shows you're genuinely interested. Next, prepare for common interview questions. For example, why do you want to work at DHL? A good answer might be, I admire DHL's commitment to innovation and customer service, and I believe my skills align well with your needs. Practice your answers to questions like, tell me about a time you worked in a team, or how do you handle stressful situations? Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result. Be ready to talk about your previous job experiences and how they relate to the position you're applying for. Dress smartly, even if the job is for a warehouse or delivery role. First impressions matter. Lastly, ask questions. Show your interest. Something like, what does a typical day look like for this role? Or, what opportunities are there for growth within the company? So there you have it. Warehouse operative, delivery driver, and customer service advisor are some of the easiest jobs to get at DHL. Research the company, practice your answers, and go in prepared. You've got this. Thanks for watching and good luck.